this video, we will show you the proper assembly of our scavenging system. We first start by connecting the breathing bag to the lower connector on the bag T. We then take the corrugated fresh gas tubing and connect it with the double hose tubing with the larger Y connector. You then connect the corrugated fresh gas tubing to the front connector on the bag T. Now you can assemble the vacuum tubing. We have a long vacuum tube and a short vacuum tube. Now the vacuum control block needs to be connected in the proper direction between the two lengths of vacuum tubing. The short vacuum tube should be connected to the top of the vacuum control block where it says VAC or VAC. The long vacuum tube should be connected to the lower end of the vacuum control block where it says mask. The end of the long vacuum tube needs to be connected to the smaller Y connector on the double hose tubing. The hanger for the vacuum control block tubing you can connect to the short end of the vacuum tube so that you can hang it close to the chair suction tubing to make the final connection.